Okay, so the first problem here on our homework says Brett owns a landscape company with contracts to mow 84 lawns each month. Last Friday, Brett mowed 15 lawns and another 13 on Saturday. Brett plans to finish all of the contract mowing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. The expression below can be used to determine the average number of lawns that Brett must mow each day to meet the goal. Okay, here's your expression. Remember, it's not an equation because there's no equal sign. How many lawns must he mow each day to meet his goal? Now, one thing that's interesting with these kind of problems, especially when you see them on the STAR test, they're going to be given this whole story up here. But if you have the expression, well, that story is great. As long as you can solve this, that's going to give you the right answer. So don't go back to rewrite a new expression if it's already given to you, okay? I do see a lot of students make that mistake each year, okay? So we're going to go through and just solve this together. It's order of operations. 84 minus 15 plus 13 divided by 4. Okay, so we have two different sets of grouping here. We have the parentheses grouping, and we have this big long line right here that means division. So the way that works is the whole top is one big grouping that's divided by this 4. Okay, so I'm going to do this 15 plus 13 first. So 15 plus 13 would be 28. So we have 84 minus 28, and then that long line for division divided by 4. Okay, so now 84 minus 28. That's what I'm going to do next. I need to answer that whole thing up here so that I can divide it by 4. So I'm going to go right over here. 84 minus 28. 14 minus 8 would be 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. So it becomes a 56 divided by 4. Now it's no longer a grouping issue. Now it's just a division problem. One number over another. It looks like a fraction. It just means division. Okay? So we'll go right over here to the side. 56 divided by 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract right here and get a 1 and bring down the 6. 4 times 4 is 16. So that answer here is 14. Notice we stayed with the idea here of our upside down triangle, okay?